If you're looking for grill connectors and hoses, here's a collection you've got to see. Outdoor cooking. Grill connectors and hoses best sellers. Number 1, by Coleman. Watch this video and get inspired. Number 2, by Char-Broil. Number 3, by DozyAnt. For more info, click the circle and choose your favorite. Number 4. Number 5, by Camco. Find these grill connectors and hoses at up to 70% off by clicking the circle in the corner. Number 6. Number 7, by Cuisinart. Click the circle to find more amazing products and gift ideas. Number 8, by DozyAnt. Number 9. Discover more grill connectors and hoses ideas and items to explore, click the description below. Number 10, by Miss Sweetie.
Thanks for watching this collection. If you like it, subscribe to our channel.